Remember when saving money was a way of life, not just a trend? Our grandparents didn't have budgeting apps, they had discipline, creativity, and old-fashioned wisdom. In 2025, it's time to bring those timeless habits back. These tips worked back then, and they absolutely still work today. Let's bring back some wisdom that never should have gone out of style. Tip 1. Hang clothes to dry. Skip the dryer and use a drying rack or hang clothes on a railing. It saves electricity and helps clothes last longer. Tip 2. Borrow before you buy. Need a tool for a one-time project? Ask friends, neighbors, or local community groups before buying it. Tip 3. DIY home repairs. Learn simple repairs like fixing a fridge line or a leaky faucet. It can save hundreds or even thousands over time. Tip 4. Buy quality, not quantity. Our grandparents bought sturdy furniture and kept it for life. Buying fewer, better things saves money in the long run. Tip 5. Family budget meetings. Sit down and talk about money with your family. It helps everyone understand where the money goes. Tip 6. Use the cash envelope system. Set cash aside in envelopes for groceries, gas, and fun. When it's gone, instant budget control. Tip 7. Walk or bike more. Cut down on gas and car wear. Short trips? Try walking, biking, or carpooling. Tip 8. Embrace hand-me-downs. Clothes, furniture, baby items, reuse what still works. It saves you and your friends money. Tip 9. Thrift first. Before buying new, check thrift stores for what you need. Clothes, kitchen gadgets, even furniture. Tip 10. Keep holidays simple. You don't need decorations for every holiday. A tree, a few lights, keep it easy, low cost, and clutter-free. Tip 11. Frugal fun is still fun. Parks, board games, community events, fun doesn't need a big price tag. Tip 12. Always haggle. Prices are often flexible, ask for discounts, deals, or extras. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Tip 13. Teach kids about money. Give your kids a budget and let them choose how to spend it. They'll learn fast what money is worth. Tip 14. Share garden bounty. Have a garden? Trade or give away extras. Know a gardener? Ask for what they don't need. If you're learning something so far, please like and subscribe for more simple money-saving tips that actually work. Tip 15. Pick free produce. People often leave fruit trees unharvested. Ask if you can pick from them. Plums, cherries, apples, free food. Tip 16. Learn basic canning. Preserve extra food to use later. Canning is easier than you think, and it saves you money down the line. Tip 17. Shop seasonal and freeze. Buy fruits and veggies when they're cheapest, and freeze them for later use. Tip 18. Cook from scratch. Boxed and pre-made meals cost more. Cooking yourself equals cheaper, better tasting food. Tip 19. Reduce food waste. Track what you throw away and find ways to use it up. Soups, smoothies, stir-fry, chili. Use what you have. Tip 20. Freeze leftovers. Got extras? Freeze meals, fruits, herbs, just about anything. It cuts waste and saves time later. Tip 21. Clip digital coupons. Especially at big grocery chains, clip those up coupons. They add up fast. Tip 22. Make gifts instead of buying them. Homemade treats, crafts, or photo albums feel more meaningful and cost less. Tip 23. Mend your clothes. Sew that button. Patch the knee. Small fixes give clothes a new life. Tip 24. Reuse containers. Jars, takeout boxes, coffee tins, reuse them instead of buying new storage. Tip 25. Plan your meals. Plan a week of meals, shop only for those ingredients. It saves money and reduces stress. Tip 26. Cancel unused subscriptions. Streaming, gyms, apps, if you're not using it, cut it. Tip 27. Use the library. Free books, movies, audiobooks, and events. Don't forget your library card. Tip 28. Learn a frugal hobby. Try gardening, sewing, baking, woodworking, something useful and budget-friendly. Tip 29. Avoid lifestyle creep. When your income goes up, don't let your spending rise with it. Keep living simply and save the rest. Tip 30. Learn basic sewing. Fix or repurpose old fabric into napkins, rags, or simple items, saves money and waste. Tip 31. Use rags, not paper towels. Old shirts or towels work great for cleaning. Wash and reuse instead of buying paper towels. Tip 32. Make DIY cleaners. Use vinegar, baking soda, and lemon for cheap, safe, homemade cleaning solutions. Tip 33. Combine errands. Plan ahead to do all your errands in one trip, saves gas, time, and money. So which tip are you going to try first? Your grandparents were onto something. Frugal living is smart living. Thanks for watching, and let's bring frugal back.